All right, guys, we are on our way to the campground now after running a few errands today. So, gonna park there. I called it a campground. It's a hunting lodge. We are gonna go sleep there tonight, and tomorrow morning we're gonna hit the lake. Should be fun. Oh boy, here we go. Slide right off the wheels and into the water. Perfect. That is exactly what I wanted. And we're off. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Definitely gotta be careful. Yeah, there probably is something up in there. Would not shock me. See some fish up there. That was definitely a bass. It's a beautiful day. Not too windy. A bit of a breeze. Good day to be out here. Better than sitting in that hot truck. That's a fish. Get out of that shit. Come here. Well, off to a good start. First fish of the day. Get out there. There we go. We're gonna get a new lizard. This one's completely destroyed. I think they're gonna still be up here in this shit spawning. Sometimes if you just cast it out there and let the lizard sit a while, something will come up and grab it. Maybe just give it a little tweak, make it look like it's tweaking out. Without all this wind, I can control myself better than what it was like the other day, but bad news is it's hot. She's a struggle today. There was a fish. What do we got here? Come here. Ooh, dude. Ran right into it. Man, you got it. Ugh, you swallowed this sucker. There it is. And fish number 2. There's a fish. Come here. Oh. Oh. All right. Number 3 for the day. Come here. That's a fish. Get out of there. All right. It's been a while. It's been a while. All right. Come here. Here's another one. Buddy. That part's out. There we go. There's a fish. Oh, he's digging. Get out of that shit. Number 5. You're mine. Oh man. Bottom of the lip. There's a little fish. Come here. Gotcha. Oh, what is this? It's a bass. Looks like something different in the water. Oh. Come in here. Oh. Not bad. Come here. There we are, another fish. Oh, seem to be in here. There we go. Got her out. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, I'm not making any ground on him. Come on up. There. You got into that grass, didn't you, buddy? Oh. And you're off. Just like that. Let you go. Oh, that's a fish. It's coming towards me. Still on. He ain't that big, but oh, probably the biggest fish of the day. Mostly small ones today, it seems like, but oh well. Might have been a 2-pounder. There's one. Come here. Got a beautiful color on you there, buddy. Go free. There you are. You're running towards me, weren't you? Well, what are you? Show your face. A little bass. And there we go. Oh man, buddy. I got you in the jaw. Like the bone of the jaw. She's out. Oh, keep catching these small ones today. Where are the big ones? We need them big females. Oh. There it is. Little guy. Very small. In the little cheek.